Hello friends, in previous class we convert a rational number into fraction. A rational number or fraction is given to you, we convert it into decimal form. Okay, a rational number or fraction is given to you. Rational number means negative, positive both will have. Fraction means only positive. Only positive numbers we can take here. Fraction. Here both plus minus both numbers we can take. That means minus 7 by 6 we can take fraction. Fraction means always numerator denominator both should be positive. Then only we can call fraction. Okay, whenever a fraction is rational number is given to you, we can convert it into decimal form. By doing the division. Okay, we can convert the rational numbers or fractions into decimal form. Okay, already last class I explained that one, but nobody responded. Only one member responded. That person also done mistakes. Okay, again you have to follow the class. Okay, how we can convert a rational number into decimal form? Already given homework for you. Page number 28. Page number 28, first one. Page number 28, first one. Express the following. Express the following in decimal form. Express the following in decimal form. Okay, how we can convert? They are given like this. First 7 by 3, 3 by 4. I will explain some sums only. 23 by 10, 17 by 6. Like this given. But I will explain these remaining two sums are there. What are those sums? 5 by 3, 22 by 7. These sums complete yourself only. I will not explain those. Okay. Now first sum. What is the first one? This is the first one. Okay, this is the first one. Okay, each one converted into the decimal form. First one. Okay, 7 by 3. What is the denominator here? It is the denominator, it is the numerator. Denominator as divisor. We have to take dividend 7. Numerator is a dividend. Now read the 3 table. 3 table will subtract this one. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. 3 2 is 6. Okay, subtract only, then only you write. Otherwise you can't write. Okay, 3 1 is 3 2 is 6. Okay, what is the subtraction after? We will get 1. Okay, 1 will not divide 1. 1 divided will not divide by 3. So we have to take a decimal point here. Okay, decimal point after taking, we can take 1 0. 1 0 you can take. Okay, 3 table. We have to take nearest number or equal number. We have to take 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9. By subtracting 1 we can get 1 again. After getting 1 again 1 will not divide 3. 1 will not divide by 3. So after taking point, what is the assumption? Already we know. After taking one point here, you can take 1 0. Again 2 3 is 3 3 is 9. Again 1. Again point after we take 1 0. 3 3 is 9. Okay, this is go on like that. That means what we can write 7 by 3 equal to 2.333. That equal to 2.3 bar. 3 repeating there. 2.3 bar. Go for the next question. What is the next question? 3 by 4. What is the denominator? Denominator we have to write first. 4. After 3. Okay, 3. 3 will divide 4? No. That means at starting we can multiply 0. No problem. Okay, 4 0 0. 4 0 0. 4 into 0 0. By subtracting what we can get 3 only. Okay, again we got 3. 3 will not divide 4. Again don't write 4 0 0. Okay, at starting we can write 0. Okay, 40. Later we can't use. Now we take point here. Point after we take after 1 0. Now we need nearest number or equal number for 30. 4 5 is 20. 4 6 is 24. 4 7 is 28. 4 8 is 32. 32 we not subtract. 4 7 is 28. 4 7 is 28. Now subtract these two. What we can get by subtracting? 2 will get 28 plus 2 31. 28 plus 2 31. By subtracting we will get 2. Now 2 will subtract this one. No. So after taking point we can take 1 0. For nearest number or equal number we have to take 4 5 is 20. 4 5 is 20. Remainder is how much? 0. Remainder is how much? 0. Here for this is the quotient, this is the remainder. This is the quotient, this is the remainder. That means we can write 3 by 4 equal to 0.75. Next question. 23 by 10. Okay, whenever a number having 1 beside zeros, no need to do division. No need to do the division. That means we can write directly we can write. Third one, 23 by 10. 1 beside 0 is there. 23 by 1, 23 1. 23 by 1, 23 1. From right side and left, we have to locate a point. Here, how many zeros are there? 1. 1 digit before, we have to keep 1. 23.2.3. If you do the division, we will get the same only. 23. 2 10 2 yes. 20. No need to do division. It will take time process. 1 beside 0 is directly right. But 23 by 1, 23. 1 0 is there. From right side, 1 digit before we have to keep point. 3. Okay, point here 0. 10 3 is 30. Like this also we can do, but this is also taking so much time. Okay, if you take one more sum here, 2367 by 1000. What is the decimal form for this one? Okay, then 2367 by 100. 2367 only we will get. 1 after 0 are there. 1 after 0 are there means very easy division that is. Okay, how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 zeros are there. That means right side and left have to start 1 2 3. 3 digits before we have to keep point. Okay, that is the solution. 1 beside 0 is. Go for the next 17 by 6. This sum is remaining complete in the board. 17 by 6. 17 by 6. What is the denominator here? First write denominator and dividend. Dividend is numerator. Now read the 6 step. 6 1 is 6. 6 1 is 6. 6 2 is 12. 6 3 is 18. 6 4 is 24. 6 5 is 30. Okay, now equal number are less than number we have to choose. Nearest number. Equal number or less than number. 17 equal or 17 below number we have to choose. That is nearest number we have to choose. Okay, if you take 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. 6 3 is 18. 18 4. So don't take. These two numbers we have to take. Okay, which is nearest? Okay, which number is very near to 17? 12 is near. So 12 is we have to take. 6 2 is 12. Subtract this one. 7 minus 2 5. 1 minus 1 0. Okay. 0 is no need to write. Okay. Now 5. 5 is subtract 6. No. Take point here. Take 0 here. Okay. 5 will not subtract 6. So take point here. Take 0. Now again read the table. See 0 no need to write. 0 no need to write. We have an array. Okay. Okay. 50. 6 is 36. 6 7 is 42. 6 8 is 48. 6 9 is 54. 6 10 is 60. Now which is the nearest for 50? 42. 48. 48 is needed. 54 more. So needed 48. Okay, what is the 48? 6 8 is 48. By subtracting what we can get 6 3 is 18. 6 3 is 18. If you subtract again, we will get 2 only. 18 minus 20 minus 18, 2. After taking point, we can take 1 here. Again 6 3 is 18. 6 3 is 18. Again we will get a remainder 2. If you go on further, then 0 again take 3. 6 3 is 18. 3. 2 only. That is, if you go on further, we will get a remainder 2 only. Remainder is, that means we can write 17 by 6 equal to 2.8333 and so on. And so on you have to write. Previous I did not write it. Now you have to write. Okay, and so on. Division is going on. Division is going on like this. That means 2.83. Short form I want to write by using the bar or vincular. Okay, which is repeating? 3 is repeating, not 8 is repeating. So which is repeating on above that one you have to write line. Okay, this one you can read as 2.83 bar. 2.83 bar. Okay, now go for the exercise. This is very important one for 2 marks. They will give to you divisions. In this class also we will get this type of questions. Division. Now we go for the exercise answer. Page number 32. Page number 32. Exercise 1.5. 1.3. Exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3. In that first one. What is first one? Express each of the following. Each of the following in the P by Q form. P by Q form. In the first one, what is one? 0.57. 0.57. Second one, 0.176. Third one, 1.00001. Fourth one, 25.125. Like this questions are given. If you observe these 4 sums, anybody, any number, any digit having vincular, like this number, bar symbol is there, any number? No. Whenever bar symbol is not there, that is a terminating decimal. Whenever bar symbol is not there, or whenever and so on is not there, that is called a terminating decimal. And so on means like this. 2.333 and so on. If you number like this or if you have number like this, these are called non-terminating decimals. Non-terminating decimals are given to you. How we can convert it? Primitive form later we can discuss. But no number is in these 4 not related to this form. No number is related to this form. So terminating decimal. Whenever terminating decimals are given to you, how we can convert? When these are not terminating decimals. Which decimals are terminating? Terminating decimals. Whenever terminating decimals are given to you, how we can convert into P by Q form? Okay, see here, what is the number here? 0.57. That is equal. Okay, draw a line here. Draw a line. Total number you got right. 057. 1 right here. 1 right here. 1 point of how many digits are there? 1, 2 zeros you got right. That means 057 we can write as 57 by 100. Is there any cancellation is possible? Cancellation. Otherwise, this is only P by Q form. Next, go for this one. So in total number 0. What is number here? 0.176 given. What is number? Draw a line. What is number? Total number you have right? 0.176 by 1 you have right first. Starting always you have right 1 only. Whenever terminating decimal, we have to convert into P by Q form. Point here. Point after how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits, zeros you have right. Okay, that means we can write this as 176. 0, 176 we can write as 0, no need to take consideration. Because this is at a thousand place. Zero thousand we can't read. 0,000 176. But we can't read like that. We read 176 only. So 176 by 1000. Is there a cancellation possible? Yes, cancellation now. Okay, 2 table will cancel. 2 table where it will 2 8 gas 16 no 2 8 gas 16. 288 gas. 288 gas 176. Similarly, this one also cancel. 2 5 gas 10. 2 zeros subject 2 zeros. That means 88 by again it will cancel. Okay, 2 table. 244 gas. 244 gas 88. 225 gas 50. 225 gas 50 0. Again it will cancel. Okay, 222 gas. Again this one also cancel. 2 1 gas, 2 2 gas, 2 5 gas. That means what is the answer? 22 by 125. Cancel with the 2 table. Cancel with the 2 table. Otherwise we change that one. Next question. 1,0,0,0,0,1. Total level draw a line first. It is definite decimal or not first check. Whenever one bar not there, we can write like this. Total level we can write 1 beside 4 zeros 1. 1 beside 4 zeros 1. Okay, 1 right here. One point of number is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is there any cancellation possible? No. Next, 25.125. 25.125. Then draw a line here. Total level we have to come by 25125. 1. We have to write here 1. Point of number is again 3 digits again. 3 digits level. Okay, we can cancel with 5 here. Okay, this number ended with 5, this number ended with 0. Already divisibility rules we know. A number ended with 0 or 5, that is divisible by 5. 5 here we have to write. Okay, 5 is 25. 0 will not divide, so take 0. 5 2 is 10. 5 2 is 10, 5 is 20. 5 200. Again cancel with 5 here. 5 1 is 0, 0, 5 2 will not divide. We have to take to a second digit. If you want to take second digit means you have to take 0 here. Okay, that means this is the answer for this. Five is 25. Okay, this is further we can cancel. We can cancel or we leave that one. 5 200. Whenever a number is given to you, for example 505. 5025 divided by 5. 5 1 is 5. 0 0 5 0 0. Then next take down 2. Again 5 2 0 0. Otherwise, if you want to take the second digit, 0 take after, you can take it directly. 1 digit take after. So if you want to know the second digit, take 0 at quotient place. Take 0 at quotient place. Take down 5. 5 5 is 25. 5 5 is 25. Remember like this. We can further cancellation. We can do. Okay, 540 is 540 is 5 2 is 0 5. That means how much answer is we got? Further calculation possible is further calculation. Otherwise, that will be answer. 201 by 40. 201 by 40. We go for the next second one. Whenever a vehicular method, non-terminating decimal is express the following decimals in p by q form. They will ask rational form also, rational number form also they will ask. One thing remember, for example, like this number is given. 10 decimal means what like 0.9 bar. Bar will be there or unsolved will be there. Bar will be there or unsolved will be there. For example, example I am saying this one. Example, I have taken a number 2.75 bar. Another number 0.756 bar. Likely two numbers I taken here. Okay, every number you have to have whenever non-determinate decimal is given to you, according to the repeating decimal, we can say two important points. What are those? Period, periodicity. Periodicity. Period means what? Okay, which digits are available under bar? That only period. Okay, here one thing remember. This having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. This having more than 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11 digits having. This having 6 digits. This having 11 digits. What is the relation between these? We have to remember period. Which number is available? That only period. Which number is available? That is only period. Period. What is the period of this one? 75 only. What is the period of this one? 75. Which digits are available under bar? That is only period. Which digits are available under bar? Bar. Under how many digits are there? Those digits only. Which available? Those only copy here. For period. Period. For periodicity. For periodicity, how many digits are available under bar? How many digits are available under bar? Okay, under bar in Vikram. How many digits are available? 1, 1, 2. How many digits are there? 2. 2 is the periodicity. 2 is the periodicity. While converting the p by q form, we will use periodicity. We will use the periodicity. What is the period for this one? Say period. What is the period here? Okay, under bar. What is the period here? 7 5 not 8, only 6. Period is 6. Period is 6. Okay, periodicity. Periodicity. How many days are repeating under bar? 1 digit only. 1. For example, one more example. 0.7555 51 51 51 and so on like this given. Okay, now we have to write down p by q form for this one. Then what do we know? What is the period? What is the periodicity? Should know. Then what we can write short form? This is 7. 7 is not repeating. What is repeating? 51 51 51. So we can write 51 bar. What is periodicity? Period. Period for this one. Period is 51. Periodicity is 2. How many days are there? 2 days are there. 1 or 2. Periodicity 2. Which days are there? Under 1. 51. 51 is the period. 51 is the period. 2 is the periodicity. By doing the conversion p by q form, by converting the non-terminating to p by q form, by converting the non-terminating to p by q form, we use the periodicity. We use the periodicity. This is very important question. For 4 marks, so many times asked in examination. Now how we can convert it? Shall we learn here? 0.9 bar. This is given to you. Let x equal to 0.9 bar. How we get 0.9 bar? X equal to 0.9999 and so on. Explain the formula in one. Bar is have to remove the term. Okay, we have to remove the bar. Write explain form. This is the equation 1. This is the equation 1. What is the periodicity? Here periodicity. Here periodicity is how much? Is periodicity equal to how much? How many numbers are there? One column, one. Multiply equation 1 with 10 power 1. Okay, here 10 is common only, base. 10 is common. Otherwise, here one comes like how many? What is the periodicity? Such number of years we have there. Actually, 10 power 1 is already. 10 power 1 means 10 power. For example, if you got 3 here we can write 3. Okay. Otherwise, if 1 this side, 3 zeros we can write. Okay, periodicity 1 means 1 this side, 1 0 we can write. Okay, equation 1. This is total equation 1. What is the periodicity? 1. According to this one. Okay, multiply the equation 1 with 10. Periodicity 1 means 1 this side, 1 0. Periodicity 2 means 1 this side, 2 zeros. Okay, now multiply 10 into 1, 10 into x equal to 10 into 0.9999 and so on. And so don't forget. Okay, 10 into x, 10x, 10 into this one. 1 into this one means we will get 9999. Okay, but we have how many zeros are there? 1 0. That means point will move one way. Point will move 1 digit we have underline. Shift this point to this one. Here 1 digit means 1 digit after only get this point. That means 9.999 and so on is 9. 3 9s only you can write, no problem. Okay, 3 9s. Okay. Here 1 0 is there. 10 into this one is point will move right side. Point will move towards the right side. How many zeros are there? Such number of steps it will take. One step will move. Okay, this is equation 2. Now 2 minus 1. Equation 2 నుండి equation 1 ని subtract. Equation 2 minus equation. What is equation 2 here? 10x equal 9.999 and so on. Equation 1. What is equation 1? X equal to before I have x point order. Decimal point. What is number here? 999 and so on is there. Without writing 4 digits. Okay, 0. Now subtract this one. Okay, subtract this one. 10 minus x before no number that is taken 1. 10 minus 1 9x that is equal to this one also subtract. And so on is there, and so on 0. 9 minus 9 0. 9 minus 9 0.9. That means x equal to how much? 9 by 9. X equal to how much? 9 by 9 means 1 by 1. 1 by 1 means 1 by 1. Okay, this one. Okay, today homework is how to read notes related to the. Otherwise, complete this one. According to this model, this one complete. 5 7 4. This one complete everyone.